Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica Support Videos. I am Manidipti from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we'll discuss on how to use Salesforce Change Data Capture in CAI. In CAI, you can integrate CAI process with Salesforce CDC. If the data is modified for CDC enabled objects, then a CAI process will be triggered for every change and will capture the events. One can use Salesforce connector to subscribe to change events in Salesforce and synchronize the corresponding data in an external data store. Change events represent the changes that have been made to a record. Changes include creating a new record, updating an existing record, deleting a record, and undeleting a record. As a first step, we need to enable CDC for the Salesforce objects. Log into Salesforce and navigate to Setup page. In the Quick Find box, search for Change Data Capture. Select the objects and move to the right panel for whichever objects you need to enable CDC and then click on Save. This is a screenshot where you can enable selected entities for change data capture. For this example, we have selected contact object. Second step is we need to create a CAI Salesforce app connection. To subscribe to change events in the CAI Salesforce app connection, we need to add this property in your app connection. Since we have enabled for contact object only, we can set as /data/change contact object change event. Once the connection is published, create a CA process and configure the process to run as an event. Once you have selected the event, publish the process. Below is a screenshot of the configuration. When a new record is inserted or existing record is updated in the contact object, the CA process is triggered. Below is the data with which it gets triggered. Now we will walk you through the demo. Log into Salesforce and in the Quick Find box, search for Change Data Capture. Select Change Data Capture and you can see a list of objects in the Salesforce and the one with CDC enabled. If you want to add even more entities as CDC, you can select them and click on the right panel to move it to the CDC panel. Once this is done, you can click on Save. Now, log into IDMC page and create a Salesforce connection. To enable event source in Salesforce connection, you need to publish the connection on the runtime environment. And navigate to event source and select add event source. Since we have enabled CDC for contact object, in the event consumer, we have selected as /data/contact change event. Once this is done, you can save and publish the connection. Now create a process and in the Start tab, select the Salesforce app connection event with the binding type as event and publish the process to run on agent. Once the event is selected, you will have an event field created. Now we can edit a record, a contact record in Salesforce to see if the process is getting triggered. We have updated an object in Salesforce and now we should see a new process getting triggered. We can see this process got triggered. We can open this and in the input fields, you can see with which input this process got triggered. Now navigate to input fields and we can see the updated data is seen and the change type is set as update. You can refer to the below documentation and knowledge base links for reference. We would like to hear from you on the feedback of the video. You can write an email to supportvideos@informatica.com. If you have any technical issues, please raise a support ticket. Thank you.